Testing, 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 testing. Okay, sound like we good. Let's see if we can change these charts. Man, it look like we changed the charts. All right. First thing first. Welcome y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Man, we finna do our trade in the Topstep account today. Um, like I said, I made a mistake trading the wrong account last time, but today is day one. So here we go. Day one on the actual account. We're supposed to trade for the channel. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right. All right. All right. We're gonna bring it over. First, I want to go over SPY, y'all. I just want to go over SPY, even though we're gonna be trading futures. I want to go over the SPY chart. Um, just so I can explain what the market already did. It kind of messed us up a little bit. Yesterday, Sunday night, we were talking about what we were expecting for SPY. We was like, hey, we're looking to go long on SPY. I said, hey, right now, based on how the chart is looking, I'm probably 60% bullish, 40% bearish. Because yes, we did have a huge drop, but I said, hey, we're sitting right in this fair value gap. We still got this low that it hasn't got taken. I was like, me personally, last night I told you I said I expect us to gap up. I said we probably gonna gap up to 655 or possibly up here to 657. I did not expect us to gap up here to 660. That would kind of threw me off a little bit because I said, hey, if we gap up to 655, I'll take soon the market open up. I'll take either a pullback or I'm gonna just take the longs up here to 657. Um, I just take a light position. I said if we open up at 657 or higher, I was like, hey, I'm gonna look to take the longs up to this hourly gap at 662. Which I could have had taken this morning because yeah, we gapped up. I could have took it up to 662, but I wasn't on the charts right then. Once I seen the market was already higher than I expected, I just didn't mess with it. At first, I said I'm gonna let the first hour go by, and that's what I did. I let the first hour go by. Um, but yeah, it kind of did more than we expected. We did expect the gap up because I was like, unless the market just going to straight flush hard, it's going to gap above this daily gap. It's gonna gap back above it. So it, like I said, it kind of went higher than we expected, but it's fine. We might still, maybe we can still get a trade in, not on options, so not on SPY. We'll be looking for it on futures, but it already gapped up. I told y'all this is where I'm expecting us. I want to see us close inside. Um, to continue to go higher. I want to see us go above this level. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much what I was expecting. Um, for SPY, but like I said, it already pretty much did what it was supposed to do. So I just kind of wanted to go over it. So we kind of, I guess you could say we kind of missed our trade because we were supposed to get in at the open, and then also gold. Let's go over gold. Now this is something that we can trade with the futures. Gold, we missed this trade too. I mean, it wasn't bad of a miss because it was like, it really wasn't that far from its target when we was talking about it last night. Like I could have got in last overnight, but I was thinking about it last night to get in it overnight, but I just didn't get in because I was like, no, I want us to, trade on the channel. So that kind of hindered me a little bit. I said I wanted us to trade on the channel. I didn't want to take the trade where y'all wouldn't be able to see it because I was thinking about getting in overnight, getting the loans to take it up to the target. Because I told y'all last night on Sunday, I said, hey, I don't expect us to come, switch to a downtrend until we take this high first. And that's what happened. We just kept the uptrend until we took that high. So we kind of missed the gold trade, but we can find something, y'all. We can find something. So right now, what I'm going to do is pull up our Topstep account, and we're going to chart it up. We're going to chart it up to look just like our SPY. Okay. Let me see. I gotta figure out certain things I don't really care to have on this. Like this, I don't think I care to see this. Like how can I just do that? Okay. Uh, really don't even need this box over here, so we can exit that out. It's just to make the screen a little bit bigger. All right. And it might be lagging a little bit, y'all, just because, like I said, we're trying to live stream with it. And I also got my Ninja Trader account open because I want to also still take my trades on my regular account. Uh, so my the computer going under some work. It got some work it's doing today. I mean, we got three tabs. We got Trading View, Topstep. I might can close my Trading View. Let me see. I probably could just close the Trading View, but I just want. I kind of like looking at SPY while I trade futures, so I'm probably not gonna close it. So I could look at it on my phone. It's fine. All right, we're gonna start off light just because, like we said, the trades that we wanted already kind of played out. So I don't want to be risking too crazy. Um, I definitely told y'all I want to hurry up and pass these accounts, so we is gonna still risk a little more than we normally would, but we might have to jump on this M&Q starting off just to get our feet wet. So same target still as these highs at 25.39. All right, now we on the daily. We're looking at the daily. NQ stop loss. I think NQ stop loss. I mean, low was super far down. It was all the way down here. Yeah, it was. NQ one was all the way down here. So the NQ one a little bit more riskier looking to me than ES. Um, see our gaps. We look for our gaps. Mark out our gaps. It's the daily gap. Let's edit it. Come on, let's edit it. I wanted one red. All right. Um, we got any more? Yeah, we should have more. Yeah, 'cause I remember I said we got a lot of them down here. We just marked the close ones, the recent looking ones for right now. All right, and then it should be one up here, yeah. And I think this is it. All right, so we're rejecting off of this daily fair value gap right here. Um, honestly, y'all, I kind of don't expect us to close in it today or above it. I kind of think we're going to reject it. I think we still gonna close green today. I think we're gonna reject it. Probably come retest this one and then go higher, or we might just have a pullback and end up leaving another gap. But I don't know. I kind of don't expect us to close above. If we do close above, that's fine though. But I kind of don't expect us to close above today. Um, let's see. Let's see. We got lower low. Just this either can be a lower high or it can be lead us to that market structure shift to go up to the higher highs. So let's go to the hourly and see if we can find any type of trade. Any type of trade. And we only gonna stick with the hourly, y'all. We're not going down. That's the one thing I do want to do for this page or this account. We trading off the hourly, y'all. We trading off the hourly. So that's just how it is. We got to be patient. Got to be patient, okay? 'Cause we're going to trade off the hourly. Oh, come on now. We've been doing good. The lag wasn't bad. Now it's freezing up. Come on. So we get ready to get in the trade, it froze up. And my internet might be a little bit shaky just because right now I do have some issues going on with my apartment. The power keep going in and out. So it's probably like reconnecting me to the Wi-Fi. Constantly. Okay. So we're looking at this hourly. We got that market structure shift right here. We made that higher high, higher low, higher high, but then we just made a lower low. So honestly, we can't really be looking to go long until we take that high again. It might not be no trades. Probably literally no trades for the rest of the day. I hate that, especially since we jumped on the charts a little bit too late. Um, it might not be any trade. I'm put a white line for the target to take below. I'm looking for it not to come back below here. Honestly, y'all, I think we finna be moving sideways in the range. Honestly, that's what I'm thinking. I think we finna be ranging, and that sucks because we probably won't be able to get a trade on day one. Let's see. Might just be getting in the range because we got that market structure shift to the higher high, higher low, higher high, but then we just switched, made a lower low. Right now, we did trigger this to make that new higher high, so we got higher high, potentially higher low. I see one more green candle come overtake this high on the hourly, so literally we probably gotta wait to the next hourly so that once the 10 o'clock hour close or an 11 o'clock kind of open, that's probably where we supposed to get our trade. And that sucks because I gotta go do something right at 11. Mm-mm-mm. Ugh. Come on, come on, come on. Trying to think. Let's go check out gold. Let's check out ES first, then we'll check out gold. Maybe we can find some trades on there. Cause like I said, this is not the best predicament. Like I told y'all, my target was already hit. That gap up kind of took most of the trade away. Like I told y'all, this is what we was aiming for on SPY. Like I said, gold we already hit our target. That's fine. I kind of gold was already at the target, so it really didn't really matter for gold. But the ES and NQ, they already hit my targets. Like this was my target right here. This box right here was my target. Look at it, gapped up right next to it. So it's like and I told y'all I said if we already hit it, I was gonna get in longs on the pullback. Whenever it pulled back, but I told y'all we didn't have a daily. Was it daily or hourly? It was hourly. Yeah, it was hourly. We didn't have any gap on ES and stuff. But I was like, when it pulled back, I'm gonna look to get in the long to come right back up to it. And now it's already up there. So now I kind of think we probably can range, might dump a little bit, and so tomorrow can be a red candle. Um, so that's what I'm saying. I really, unless we can squeeze, if we just squeeze, then now we're gonna have more trade opportunities. But right now, where it's at, I think we'll be moving sideways. But let's get on. We said we was gonna check out the ES. Dang, that kind of sucked, man. Cause we was trying to get a trade in. I ain't gonna lie. Um, we might just take one trade, one gamble trade for the day, just so we can get a trade in. Um, and normally I would not do that for night. My regular account, no. But since we're trying to at least get a trade in a day, at least one trade, um, we gonna kind of take that risk, you know. Oh, I'm thirsty, man. I'm thirsty. All right, so that's the hour. Let me switch to the daily. My bad, my bad, my bad. But like I said, unless we can squeeze inside that zone, start closing inside it, I really don't see opportunity. So literally, we need the market to go up, or we can't trade it honestly, because that consolidation could come and take us out. Actually, I marked that as a low. That's a soft low. High, 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 low. Yeah, this is the true low down here. This is soft low. So I'm actually going to turn this one pink, and it's that hard set low right here. All right, so this can be red. All right, Mark out the gaps. Oh, I don't even know if I marked out my gap on my NQ. I'm about to go back for the hourly. Y'all, I don't think I marked it out on NQ. I think it wasn't no gap. Yeah, no gaps up the top for the year. Just these two gaps. Okay. Um, yeah. Like I said, we gapped up already. Kinda took the trades. Let's look for the hourly. 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 I got this. Orange. Right? Yeah, I literally think we're gonna reject here and just, like I said, I think we finna start chopping, man. Like we might get a slight drop real quick, but then come right back in and chop. That's what I'm expecting. I don't know if I want. I already got marked this one up. I ain't got marked that one up. And I would have gotten them shorts right here just because I told y'all I expect us to chop. But it's just I'm bullish, so it's kind of like, dang, I really don't want to take the shorts, even though I do expect us to reject there. Um, I just kind of don't want to fight against the trend. You know what I'm expecting until it like completely like if it just goes straight under here to 6,615, then yeah, maybe I'll start looking for some shorts. But yeah, I do expect this rejection. But it's like, man, it's scary going against your bias. Uh, oh, let me mark out what I want to see it be. You gotta come up here, change the color to white. Come on, white. All right, and then level that I kind of want to see the hold. It might take it, but I want to see it kind of hold here. All right. Honestly, I told y'all we on the trade on the hourly, but the only way to probably get a trade is go down to the lower time frame. But we sticking to the hourly. I'm sorry, we trading off the hourly. I'm just if we don't get a trade, it is what it is. All right, let me mark up this. Oh, let me go put my gap for NQ. Then we're going to mark up gold. Okay, no mark up gold next. So let me fill this gap right here for NQ. Okay. I hate that it's overlapping like that. It's just ugly, but it is what it is. I gotta mark it out just so I know where it's at. I wonder if I can change the field color to something lighter. Right like that, yeah. I think I like the field color like that. Let me see. How do you make it your default? I can't remember. Template, save as. Cause I put what 1 hour. I put 1 hour S. Even though it's a rectangle, put an S for square. All right. And I wanted to lighten these up, but I already marked them. I ain't gonna light all those up. Yeah, it's just nothing to trade, man. Nothing to trade, honestly. Oh, let me go to the gold. My bad. Nothing to trade, man. We missed our one trade, bro. Like, should have kind of got on. We should have got on at like right at 8, and we would have been able to just catch that one small. It was only a small trade, but we would have been able to catch that one small trade. Dang, this I ain't chopped this up in a while, and look at it, it played perfectly. Um, let's remove this though. Gold might be where we need to go trade it, y'all. Honestly, gold might be where we need to trade. Ooh, I wish we could swing futures on Topstep, because honestly, gold I swing it till tomorrow, just because it look like it's gonna close past its high, so it should continue to go beat whatever this high gonna be for the day. So I can literally just swing it, man. That might be our trade. When gold pull back today, we probably gonna grab a long. Soon it pull back. Soon we see it pull back, grab a long. I think that's gonna be our trade. That actually might be our trade today. Soon gold pull back some, going along. Yep, I think that's what we're gonna do. As long as it don't come below this high, that's the biggest thing. As long as it don't stay below this high, it's probably gonna come below the high. As long as it don't stay below that high, that's the thing. Okay, come on, please pull back, gold. Don't just run. Please pull back. Ugh, I hate that it's pushing like this. Let's go to the hourly. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. This might be the trade we gonna take, y'all. Honestly. So we got high, low, high, high. Okay, that's our level there. Um, could mark this one up. Change this to orange. We got a gap. We might just get on the gold and hold it, y'all. That might be what we do. 13 minutes too. Yeah, we might take a quick gold. Quick gold. 13 minutes. I hope just pull back a little bit, please. Please just pull back a little bit. We trading this based off the hourly, but I'm gonna go to the lower time frame to see if it's gonna pull back. We trading it based off the hourly though, y'all. Still. Oh, it look like it's pushing, man. Dang it. Look, it just took this high. If it closed past it, this is gonna be gone. It just took that high. I need to change this to green. Dang, it just took that high. Reject. Don't close past, please. And come back down here. God dang. Dang it. Push down, bro. Dang it. Man, we finna get in one light, man. We gonna get if it close past it, we get in one light, bro. I'm sorry. That's some trash. Don't close past there, bro. Come back down, please. Come back down, please. Please come back down. Just come down here. Come chop in this area for us and let us get along. Dang, man. Let me go mark up the regular gold because I think we're gonna take it on regular gold because we just trying to hold it for a split second. We're not trying to hold it long at all. Like we just want to take a little bit of a trade on gold, man. We don't even want the whole move. I think we gonna be down bigger, and that's another thing. Y'all don't be worrying about what the stop loss gonna look like, cause this is supposed to be a quick little trade right here. So the drawdown probably gonna look crazy at first, but we gonna stick it out because we do expect it to come take the high. Okay. Dang, man. That ain't gold. Get on my freaking nerve. I was trying to get in. I really would like if gold can come down here like 40, 90, 40, 90s. Ooh, that'd be beautiful. And then I wish we can swing it, but we can't swing it. I would definitely swing it back to the highs tomorrow. Uh, red. Um, I don't even know why I had marked that gap up down there, cause it's. Oh no, cause it overlaps. It overlaps. Changes to red. All right. This was the target, but it already blew past, so we still gonna mark it out. Green. Come on, green. Okay. Hourly. Go to the hourly. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Dang, this mug. Go get on my freaking nerves. I swear. Get on my nerves, though. Why you gotta push so hard? Mark this out. Orange. We definitely like we're getting close past this high. I mean, we got 10 minutes, though. It could push below. I'm gonna mark this green because it's supposed to be my target. And then I'm gonna put the white line because this is what we trying to close past. See if we can close past this. It look like we is though. Dang, go, you get on my freaking nerves. I swear. I think I'm about to take a long. I think I'm finna take a long. Did it close past that? It did. We already missed the trade. Come on, we getting one long. I know we down right now. We just aiming for the high. Quick scout. Quick scout. Quick little $80. Switch back to the hourly. It might pull back a little bit more. We might be down a little bit more, but y'all know what we gonna do. We gonna add. 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 As long as it don't come below here, that's the biggest thing. As long as it don't come below that 615. Come on, push, push, push. If this 5 minute turn red though, more likely we're gonna get some pullback somewhere. Let's check that 5 minute out. If that 5 minute turn red, it's gonna pull back on us. We up 40. Can you push up one more time to take that high before you turn red? Hey, hold up now. I ain't get filled. Maybe it's supposed to be 70. My bad. Dang, we supposed to put it at 70. No, we supposed to put it at 80. It look like we gonna get that pullback probably. Y'all, I'll tell you, don't worry about what it's saying right now. We gonna add. We gonna add. We gonna add. Biggest thing is we don't want to see it staying below here. We might well set the stop loss down there. Shoot. 600. Now look at this. Look at this risk reward, y'all. But we ain't letting it go down there though. That's what I'm saying. But unless it just flicker down. Come on, take this high. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Close green, close green, close. Now hold up now. That look like it took the high now. Come on. How we ain't get filled? Topstep, what y'all got going on, man? Is this equal highs? Yeah, I'm about to say, man, we both got to. God dang, God. Y'all, come on now. You ain't gotta do all that. Come on, go. Come back down. Come back down so we can get back in. Come back down so we can get back in. We got a little $80 that quick. That's fine. But gold, I need you to come down, bro. You tripping. 6 minutes. Come down, gold. Come down, gold. Give us. I need to see the first red 5 minutes so I know we coming down. Come on. I need you to come down, gold. Stay up, but still stay above 115. Still stay above here, but come down, please. Come down, please. Come on, yeah, drop. Come on, drop. No, no, no. I ain't gonna lie, I should took that on my. Nah, it was too risky for me taking my regular account. I don't trade that stuff like that. Like this trade y'all just see me do, we don't trade like that. We just trade like that because we trying to at least get one trade in on this account per day. And you know what? We're going down to MGC. We're going down. Cause we trying to at least preserve some of the money we just made. $76. Especially if we trading risky like this. Uh, so let me go fix this hourly up. Especially if we trading risky like this. If we took that one trade, that probably be other than if we get like a rejection off this fair value gap. We probably ain't gonna mess with the big boy goals again. Probably just straight trade these micros. Um, mark this out. 615. Okay. That green level, we can delete this because it's already pushed higher than it now. So we could delete this one. Remove. So right now, what's the highest point? The highest point is up there. We'll mark that one out. Come on, don't freeze up now. Come on. Oh, okay, we probably finna get our first red. We might finna get our first red. We don't know. Let's see. Come on, close red. That'll be beautiful. The only thing I kind of hate that the red is closing right at the end of the hour. So I don't know how far down it's gonna try to drop. We probably gonna try to look and see if we can get that bounce at this hourly fair value gap right here though. Or it might. Nah, I don't know if I really want to take it here. It could bounce here, but I think I'd rather wait for the hourly fair value. Just don't close. If it close below here though, we might not mess with it. If it close below 411.15, probably don't even trade it, man. And why we can't see our? I need to go to my settings. Cause we don't even see our profit. I mean, I can see it at the total balance, but it's not showing right there. I got it blurred out, I guess. Come on, come on, come on. And then it's a tricky situation because that 5 minute turned red, but this hourly definitely is closing above its high. It's closing green, so we should be coming back inside this wick, at least coming inside this wick, potentially taking that high. But as we seen on that 5 minute, it wasn't no dang gap to bounce off of. So that's the thing that suck. If it turned red, we ain't got no gap to bounce off of. We just had to probably wait on market structure shift, then go long. Well, no, this gap right here, I'm tripping. Now, if it bounce right here, that's some trash. It might bounce right here. Let's see though. Let's see if it's gonna close below it or is it gonna bounce right here. Cause I was about to say we ain't got no gap, but we do got this gap. But if it close below it, don't matter. We could get it one light right here, y'all, but I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. It ain't finna trick me. I'm gonna wait until it either close below or don't close. Definitely could get it one light though. Cause like I said, the hourly telling us we at least supposed to get back in that week. Literally, this the only gap we got until we get down here. That might supposed to be where we buy. I hate to buy on the red, but we said we buying off the hourly, so we don't care what the 5 minutes say. If it close below there, I definitely expect us to come down here. Got a minute, 10 seconds. Minute, 10 seconds. It said breaking news, lawmaker something at the bottom of my screen. What you doing? What you doing, go? What you doing? Oh, is it gonna go below? It go below, man. We finna have to wait till that fair value gap get tested. I'm sorry. We gonna have to wait till that fair value gap. That what it look like. We gotta wait till the fair value gap get hit. See how many seconds they got? 22 seconds to push back up. What you gonna do? Uh-oh. 18, 15. Nope. Failed to go up there. We gotta wait until this. Either either it probably gonna bounce here right at this high, or is it gonna come down to this hourly? I prefer it to come down to this hourly, but it could bounce right after it. takes it, like it pulls back and take this white line I got here. I'm not taking it. If it just shoots straight up, we ain't taking it unless it come take this high. And we really kind of want to see it close fast, so we still probably can't even take it. Um, Me personally, I just can't. I can't go long right now, man. Can't go low right now. Needed to come down, man. I needed to come down. Oh, if you want to go up or move sideways, it is what it is. Just can't touch it. Let me go look at NQ and ES. Matter of fact, I could chart that up. Let's chart up NQ right now, y'all. While we waiting on gold to do what it do. While we waiting on gold to do what it do. Dang, we ain't get no trades on the live account yet. It is what it is, though. It is what it is. It is what it is. No trade on the live account yet. Oh, what? I thought I typed in NQ. Well, I did, but I guess I ain't got the slash. Which direction the slash must go? Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Come on, NQ. NASDAQ. Man, even my Ninja Trader lagging bad, y'all. I might only be able to trade my Ninja Trader once I get done doing my trades on Topstep. Dang, I hate that because if I see a good trade, I don't want to freaking miss it on my Ninja Trader. But it might how we probably have to do it just because it's just too much. I think it's just too much for my computer to do all of it. What we said, NQ, here we go. Let's go to the daily. Why we on daily? What a daily. Gotta mark it up just like our other NQ, the MNQ. I got gold pulled up over here on my Ninja Trader account so I can see when it go down, y'all, and I heard it flip back over. Right now it's pushing up though. Barely pushing up. Okay, let's remove all of this. Move all of this. Target, let's mark out them targets. Dang, gold, chill out now. Why you pushing like that? Alright, target high. Level will not be all the way down here. Change this to red. Fair value gaps. Change this to red. Got another one right here. Yeah, it look like we finna be starting to move some sideways now, y'all. On gold and NQ. Alright. I think that's it for this. Go to that hourly. Hey, if we only got one trade in for today, that's fine with me. As long as we got a one winner today, that was good. Good enough. Especially on this, like we said, on this account for the channel. Because we did, like I said, we did miss our trade earlier. Because I got on the charts a little too late. We did miss, this was our trade that we was looking for, that we spoke about last night on the stream. We said we was looking for them loans. Soon, NQ gets that pullback. That first green was looking to take the loans up to that gap, which was this hourly gap. But we missed the trade, and like I told y'all, we might see it starting to chop. Unless we can somehow squeeze, we might see it starting to chop. Might get a quick little dump, then come right back into this chopping area. So we kind of missed the trade that we were supposed to take. But luckily we was able to jump on gold and get that quick little win. So good thing we did get one trade, quick little scout. At least for this channel. I mean for this account. What you doing over here now? Come on, let me trade on these charts. My cat trying to be all in front of the screen. Alright. That's the hourly. Then we said, do we have any hourly gap? I don't think we counted that. I think this was the only one we marked up. We did mark that hourly low out though. I do remember that. So change that to orange. Then we said we want to mark the high out with a white. I mean, we could get a long here because I told you I think we're gonna chop. And we could get a long right here, but I don't know. I don't really. It's just not the best trade, y'all. It's just not the best trade. I think we probably is gonna move up, but man, nobody trying to mess with that and play around like that, man. We trying to take dubs around here. We ain't trying to take no L's. So why would we want to trade in the worst scenario? But I do kind of think we're gonna start moving back up. Let's go back to that hourly because like we said, we only supposed to base it off the hourly. Alright, so with that hourly there, we had a red counter. Okay, so we had a red counter for the hourly. If this one turned green, we could, like I said, we could take the long. I just don't like it, man. Like, we could take the long right now. But I don't know, man. I just don't like this chopping. I just rather for it to break out, take this high first, and then start making structure. I mean, we could get in on M and Q though. That's what we might do. We might just get in M and Q, y'all. Let's do that. Take a light baby trade. Oh, gold coming down, y'all. Gold coming down to where we needed to go. We might be getting ready to get in this gold. Come on, hurry up, M and Q. What the? I said M and Q. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh my goodness. The lag's trying to come through at the worst possible time. There we go. M and Q. Load up. Hurry up. Now go push back up. I just told y'all. It just came down where we needed to go. Now it's pushing back up. We might miss the trade now on gold. Because this thing took all day to load. We're going to take this one light one, man. I think we're going to take the one light. I think that's what we're going to do. I hate this. I hate this choppiness, but I think we're going to take this one light. We're going to take this one light. I'm sorry. We got at least make 100 for the day now. Come on. Targeting. Right here. Oh, no, don't, no. Oh, I thought I thought it closed my trade out, man. I was gonna be sick. We're gonna target just $50. That's all we're trying to get. Quick little 50 ball. This lag is killing me. Come on. Go up to 50. Alright, well 51 then since it's lag tripping. We aiming for 51, man. Oh, we getting our push. Let's see. We might got it right then. Come on now. Oh, move the stop loss up. We too close to the profit. We gotta move that stop loss. Oh my goodness, lag. Man, I swear this lag killing me. Now I can't even move the stop loss up there. Y'all are gonna sit down here for now. Come on, push, push, push. It almost took me up there. Okay. Can we just go on hit TP? Just go on hit TP, please. Just hit it. Cause I ain't trying to deal with this. There we go. Good job. My bad. I ain't mean to clap all in y'all down here. But there we go, man. It might come up here though. We might see it come up here. The reason why I had target this level was because literally I see a fair value gap here. And I said I'm expecting this chop. It's gonna probably at least come tap the fair value gap. I do expect it to come to the top of here, but I just with this lag, we not playing no games, bro. We just taking the dubs. Not taking no chances, man. We're not taking chances like that. I do expect it to come up here though. If I would have got in two positions, I would have held one, but I only got in one. All right, that might be it for that. Like a cool 120, especially after missing our trades, bro. Well, really like 130, but you know they take their fees. Dang, we really could have made 100, cause it's definitely probably go up there. We could have made 100 or 50 more dollars, so we would have been up 200 for the day. Mmm, It's fine though. We don't regret nothing. We made 127. We not regretting it, especially with this chop stuff right here. Uh, let's go check out gold. Gold pushing. Gold. Dang, gold. We missed gold, bro. Gold would have had us paid. We missed it. I mean, it's a chance it could come back down, but we kind of missed it. Like I told y'all, it was gonna sweep that. This was gonna possibly sweep this white line we had, and then push up. What happened? Sweat that white line is pushing up. It would be perfect if it can come down here though. This would be the best trade. If it can come down here and reject, that'll be perfect. If it can come down here and reject. But I don't know if it's gonna do that. Really don't know if it's gonna come down and do that. This is more where I should have got in. Once it swept this right here at this 413, I should have got in. Longs taking it back up at least to the top of this wick at 417. But it's okay. It is what it is. We not we not regretting nothing, man. If it push up, it push up. Let's look at the 5 minutes just to see if it's starting to try to move up. Because if it market structure shift to the upside on the 5 minute, I think it's going up. So for the market structure shift, it had to come up at 4120.3. Cause it sweat that low, made that lower low. It can boom, make a higher high, start going. But if we can just drop, make this lower low, fail to close down here, get our market structure shift, go long, back to the highs. That'll be beautiful if it can do that. But we don't know. We have to see. I want to mark that for what I said. Oh, come on now. I want to mark that 420 right here. Just so I can know if it come take it. Let's go to the hourly. Yeah, I gotta know. I wish I could put alerts on. That's what Topstep need to do. They need to make some alerts. Come on down here, man. Come on down here, go. That's what we need to see you do, go. Come down here, but we don't want gold to just shoot straight through the gap though, because if it's going down like a downtrend, heck no. We just wanted to tap the gap, give us some reversal, let us go back long. That's it. That's it. That's all we looking for, gold. I ain't gonna lie though. If we wasn't in that super choppy area on NQ, y'all know I would have took one regular NQ contract, and that would have been a quick 500 right there. But we just in this chop. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. So I had to take the micro. But if we wasn't in this chop, like if it was like just nice, solid looking, I would have definitely took a regular NQ. That would have been a quick 500. That fast. Easy 500. Because I know NQ is just 10 times whatever MNQ is. Really, that would have been 1,000 because it would have touched this high. But if I would have got out where I had got out, it would have been 500. If I would have held, been 1,000. Right there, we've been almost done with the combine. But I can't do it. Like, I don't trade. I don't like trading choppy set areas. I like trendy markets. So that's probably one thing also we're gonna probably try to add. When it's just choppy like this, we're probably gonna try to steer away from it. if we do trade a regular position, only one, y'all, only one. But so I really should have took two micros right there. That was my fault. Because if we go to micros, we can at least take two at a time. But hey, man, if this was just clear, like if this was my trade earlier, I would have did it. Like if it was right here, I would have took that NQ. Boom. But right now, I can't do it. This mud definitely pushing though. I told y'all we probably be chopping and gold pushing too. Gold probably ain't even trying to come back down. Let's see if gold took that high yet. MNQ, we gotta wait till the hourly ends close before we can start messing with something. I do think the hourly finna close green for MNQ, but we probably ain't gonna be able to trade it. Dang, I'm a little upset with myself. Though. I should have took a regular. I had took a regular, especially since I said I knew it. I ain't gonna say regular. I should have took two NQs. I'm gonna say that I should have took micro NQ, but I didn't. I did and I didn't. This gold gone, man. It's gone. It's finna take that high, make that higher high. It's really right there. It should take that high. It take that high, make that higher high. Where would the stop loss be? Let's see. We might get in this gold though, y'all. Stop loss will be down here. Come on, take this high so I can get in. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Stop loss will be all the way down here. That is a big stop loss, but that's where it'll be at. What would be perfect is if we can take the high and close past. We close past the high, that's perfect. That'll be perfect. If we could take the high and close past it. But we just wick past it, I definitely expect it to come down. Mm. It might, and we might see that. We might see this turn green here. The next one go wick past it and come down. That's probably what we're gonna see. Cause they probably gonna try to trick you to go and get them loans. They gonna wait past, come all the way down, try to scare you. You gonna get out, then it's gonna slowly move back up. Unless, like I said, unless discount can push past and close past, and then it's different. Ugh. Ugh. Like I told you, I gotta go somewhere at 11. So I could get back on the charts after that though, but gotta go somewhere at 11. So that's gonna have to stop the stream. We might end up with 120 for the day. I at least wanted to get for like 500 if I could have, just so we could have been okay on pace to possibly passing it in 3 days. Cause you get 500, and then two, what you call it, one 1,200 days, pretty much 50 days. But it is what it is. It is what it is. We gotta do it the whole week. We gotta do the whole week. Cause I don't want to really take no stupid trade. I mean, risk to reward wise is stupid, but uh, looking at the chart wise, that you come on, man. I think we gonna just take a quick, quick goal right here. Cause like I said, I think it's gonna spike up, take that high, then come down on the next counter. Nah, we ain't gonna take it. We gonna wait it out. But I kind of expected the spike, take that high, and then come down. Let's see what we do. If it just comes straight down though, that I'll probably like it if it just comes straight down. Just don't even go up there and take the high and just close red. That'll be perfect. Close red, then boom, that very next candle, we probably gonna go long because if it can close red, probably stop like right here at this level, somewhere right here. Take a long, then we got way more room to the other side. But it kind of like it says, wake up, take this high. That what it look like to me. Look like it's gonna we can take that high. We might take one light one. Let's take one light and then we gonna add if it come on. We gonna add if it come back down. Come on with this leg, y'all. God dang. This leg killing me, man. If it come down, we gonna add $7. Oh heck no, we can't be trading this micro. We can't be trading. This only $7 out here, man. Come on. God dang, let at least get $10. I ain't know that. I ain't need micro goals ain't nothing. Stop loss all the way down here. It's probably like $100 stop loss. What is it? $79 stop loss. We gonna add, like we said, we gonna add it come down. Definitely gonna add. Alright, it's coming down, coming down, coming down. As long as it don't come down, take the stop loss out. That's the biggest thing. I want you to clear this gap. I don't really want to see this gap, honestly. Well, nah, yeah, you can keep a gap because if it close red and keep a gap, that's something to bounce off of. You might just cut it though. If it clear this gap, you might just cut it. I don't know. It's like it's gonna clear it though. I ain't know that was gonna be number $10. Yeah, I should just got in the other. Did it even take that previous counter high? I think it equaled it. So it's equal high. Yep, it equaled it. So it could come down if it want to. If it close red, it's ready to come down. If we lose this $80 though, y'all best believe we finna go grab dang a regular contract. Dang man. Come on, we can take this high so we can get out this trash stuff. Trash. Hey, come on, hurry up, do what you gonna do. Close red, close green, do what you gonna do. Green games now, coach. Is it gonna lead the gap or is it not gonna lead the gap? That's the question. If it don't lead the gap, it gotta bounce. Got to bounce right here, somewhere in this area. Alright, it took the gap, so it gotta bounce somewhere in here now. Got to bounce. You gotta bounce somewhere in here. So let's. I ain't gonna mark it out, but it gotta bounce somewhere in there without taking the low. We're gonna add one more. If it can come down here, we're gonna add a third, and then that's it. We ain't add no more. All right, y'all. That's what we looking at. That's what we looking at. So now we can set it this high, cause we at least getting some $30. We can set it this high. All right. So we at least should get 33 off of it. If it comes, take these highs. I'm telling y'all, if it come down here to this 415, we're gonna add one more. Then we off. All right. We ain't add no more after you come down there. Cause then we at risk of it just switching to a downtrend. Uh, and honestly, I really ain't supposed to be taking this trade because we said only based it on the hourly. We broke the first rule already. Come on. But that's because we trying to force some trades. I ain't even gonna lie. You ain't supposed to do this. You ain't supposed to force no trade. But after this trade, we ain't forcing no more. We're gonna wait till them hours. Alright, come on down. Come on down. Come on down in here. We're gonna add one more if we come down in there. Somewhere right here at 415. Let me get ready to add one more. Then we're gonna be off of it. We're gonna leave it alone after it. It's almost down there. Oh, yeah, close. Oh, come on. Yeah, I know that lag gonna get me. As long as it just don't spill. Oh, it comes spilling. We're gonna go add one. You better start pushing up. Better start pushing up now. Come on. We gonna be down one. What they say? 180. So we be at negative, like negative $60. Ooh, it's pushing. It's pushing. It's pushing. If it close below here though, we probably getting out. We gonna cut it ourselves. If it close below here. If it don't go and stop us out, it look like we finna get stopped out, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. You better hurry up and push back up here. Look like we about to get stopped out. Ew. Like I said, we'll be looking for that reversal down here, potentially down here, and we'll take a regular go. We're gonna take a regular go and come down there in reverse. But right now we chilling. Got 1 minute. You gotta start pushing up, man. Got 1 minute. Okay, start to push up a little bit. Come on, come on, come on. What we got going on? 30 seconds. And that would make it a little scary. Ain't no fair value gaps for us to bounce off of. That's the thing. Look like I'm probably had to close. Let's sell one. We selling one. Gotta get rid of one because it kind of look like we finna get stopped out. At least save a little bit. Kind of like we gonna get stopped out. Unless somehow this can squeeze real hard. But we had to close one. We had to close one just to be safe. Oh, we getting that squeeze. We getting that squeeze. Let's see. This might be it. We gonna move the stop loss up though. Once the 1 minute hit. Once that 1 minute hit, we move the stop loss up. I really kind of want to see market structure shift, but should we move it up now? Or we should wait. We gonna wait. We gonna wait. I wanted to set it here, but since it pushed down like that, it kind of messed it up a little bit. Come on, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Here we go, pushing. It could be a setup to come get ready to drop all the way down on this. Only way I'll be confident, we gotta take this thing high. That's the only way, and that'll give us our little money. Cause even right now, me moving the style loss up, I don't really like even moving it up right now. Like, don't really like moving it up right now. I just gonna take that loss instead of moving it up. What you gonna do, man? What you gonna do? Okay, let's see. We probably finna get out. Let me check that 1 minute. Got red. See if it close green. If it close green, then we moving that style loss up, y'all. Waiting it out, waiting it out, waiting. Right finna close here. Oh, there's lag. Come on. Close green, close green. Nope, didn't close green. You still gotta wait. Still gotta wait. Dang, we was looking for that green closure right there. This might be it though. We gotta see. Is you gonna drop or is you gonna close green? That's the thing. We definitely is in a downtrend right now on the one. Close green, close green. Alright, we moved the stop loss up. I wanna add one more, but I do wanna see market structure shift happen. I do wanna add one more. But I kind of want to see market structure shift happen. Probably could have added one more, but we want to see that market structure shift. There we go. All right, come on, man. Take us to the highs, bro. Yo, we need close past this, please. Close past it so we can get on through this trade. If we don't close past it, it's gonna pull back one more again. That's gonna be trash. All right, close past this high if you take it. If you don't take it, it's fine. Okay, then take it. Well, technically, I don't know. Because it gapped up, that kind of sucked. That did kind of suck. But we still gonna wait it out. Can this one close green is the question. If it don't close green, we're gonna be sitting here, y'all. We're gonna be sitting here. Hopefully it don't come all the way back down. If it close green though, I think we good. Push, push, push. Close green, push. We don't wanna sit here. Dang, you know how they like to do. They like to stall stuff out. Man, squeeze, turn green, squeeze. That's green. What the? Now, come on now, y'all cheat. They cheating now, bro. How they gap it down like that? Man, go on, take this high two and turn green, please. God dang. They playing games, bro. They probably trying to set up for a big old drop on them, man. Come on. And it's almost time for me to go. Come on, push up, push up. I'm trying to get on out this trade. And they look. Come on, bruh. Why you couldn't turn green? Well, soon, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Soon we get our next green candle, I'm moving stop loss up to whatever red it was at. And that's what we're doing. That's the trade. So if this one turn green, we will stop loss up here, and then we out. Well, actually, we kind of want to see the high get taken first, though. That's the thing. So we probably gonna wait on the high to get taken, maybe. But Slick want to add. I'm gonna add on the first green candle though. I'm gonna do that for sure. First green candle we add. Dang, y'all already finna turn green now? Why y'all set me up like this? Did we take the high? At least let us take the high. We didn't even take the high. Come on, take the high right here so I can add. Still gotta wait it out. They playing games. Come on, take the high. Hate when they stall you out. Oh, it's coming down some more. Come on, bro. Probably gonna add. Oh, no, don't add yet. Just flip green and take this high. Well, he at least gonna walk away with some. I mean, with very little loss, almost even. Now, I didn't close past. Oh my goodness. At least we try closing the trade break even though. We can say that. He'll close this trade. Well, $8 basically break even. Come on, you need to push. You need to squeeze. They get up here, we selling too. They get up here, we gonna sell too. Now we're gonna sell one. We get up there. We're gonna sell one. I wanna push a little bit more. Get to the top of it. We're gonna sell one. I just don't want this lag to get me. That's the thing. I know what we finna move this up to $12. We taking $12, y'all. We either getting 100 or we getting 12. At least this trade profitable. Technically, it ain't because we did take a loss when we sold that one position, but it is what it is. At least we still keep some of it. Probably be up like $80 for the day. We just gotta finish the day with $80. If it don't take this high, let's go to that 5 minute. Now we can move our ways up. Oh, I might set it. If this 5 minute close above this high, I'm gonna set it right here at this fair value gap. We should push up. Come on, 5 minute close up there. Let's actually sell one. Oh no, don't sell it now. Don't sell it now. It just came down. We gotta wait on it to push back up. I'm gonna sell one when it push back up here. I'm selling one because I want us to leave a fair value gap. Okay, sell one. Sell one. Come on, lag. Oh my goodness. Did it not sell or did it sell? What is it doing? It didn't sell? Oh my goodness. It did not sell. I definitely pressed it. We finna move the stop loss up because they cheating us. They cheating us, man. We press sell. We press sell. Why the heck it didn't sell? Press sell one more time. Come on. Did it sell? All right, safe place and trade. It should sold. Come on, bro. Okay, there we go. We sold one. All right, getting $21. Or we hitting TP. Oh, it's almost at TP, man. Why y'all couldn't take that? We probably gotta get out. It took that previous counter high, so we gonna set it at 30. Set it at 30. It already did what it's supposed to do, taking that high. Like our only hope is if it could just push up some more. Just don't come back down to the fair value gap. Ah, they killed us with that. It took that high. We probably should have aimed at the high. That's probably what we should have did. Aimed at that previous counter high. That was my fault, y'all. That was my mistake. I should have probably aimed at that previous counter high. Ah, we're gonna set it here then. $39. At least give us 39. We pretty much gonna break even on this thing trade because I messed it up. I definitely messed it up myself. Dang, I messed that up. It push up, I'm gonna sell one. If it push up, we're gonna sell one. I should have aimed to that previous high, that previous 5 minute high. Oh man. Dang, come on. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Sell one. We sold one, didn't we? Okay, we sold one. 44. Man, this lag is ridiculous. Come on, bro. 12, okay. Come on, push up to get that 44. So if we had 200 for the day, or at least close to 200. Least close to 200 for the day. It's probably gonna stop me out. It's probably gonna come back down to this 14. Honestly, that's what I kind of think. But we gonna see. We can get lucky and it can push up, but it probably come back down to this 14. It might come down to the 14. But we could get lucky and it come back up. Let's set it here. 16. 16 where we setting it. 16 where we setting it. We need to squeeze. We need to squeeze. Take the high. Just squeeze. Take the high. There we go. Dang, 164. I thought I got more than that. Breakout was selling off. I probably should have moved it up a little bit higher. Hey, we still made $50 on that trade, even though it was stressful. Okay, we got 160. We got 160 on a dang stressful trade. Oh my goodness, bro. Now it do whatever it want to do. If you want to come back down to that hourly gap, it is cool. We not stressing it. Dang, that trade took all day. God dang. But we got that dub. It don't even matter. We got that dub. Dang, that trade took all year. God dang. What I need to do? What I need to do? Let's chill out. All right, I'm finna go. I gotta go, y'all. So maybe this will just be it for the day that I'm gonna record. I'm not too sure. We had to see. I might come back and trade again. I might not trade again just because I kind of do want my regular account. I ain't taking no trade on my regular account today, so I kind of want to do that. Um, so yeah, we might get it on here, might not, or I might take another trade, and I might have to add some screenshots to like my story or some of the trades I took. If I take some other trades like on the phone or something, okay? So, but yeah, at least we got day one in the books, y'all. And I promise you, if I take any other trades, we're not finna I'm not losing more than half of what we got, so I'm gonna make sure it's micros. Um, but we at least leaving today with $80, even though we up 160 right now. But yeah, day one in the books. Here we go, y'all. Y'all have a good